Question: how to use blanket program? Press on. First thing we need to know when using blanket program is that it has a weight limit of 4.2 kilograms. This program is obviously used for blankets. For the bulky ones like comforters, it is advisable to use a mesh bag or a laundry net bag to help distribute the weight of the comforter evenly inside the tub, allowing the machine to spin properly, thus cleaning the items more efficiently. For this demo, hindi na ako gumamit ng laundry net kasi magaan at hindi naman ganun ka-bulky ang blanket na lalabhan ko. Press the blanket button. This program automatically uses the maximum water amount, which is 72 liters. Take note that this cannot be changed. Put your detergent and fabric conditioner. Take note, when using a mesh or laundry net bag, use a liquid detergent instead of powder, as liquid detergents can penetrate the fabric better than powder. Put your bleach. We can now press the start button. The total time duration can take up to approximately 70 minutes. The machine will first fill the tub with 72 liters of water while occasionally washing the blanket. The washing process can take up to approximately 12 minutes. When it's done, it will drain the water and then spin the tub. Now on to its first rinse. The machine will again fill the tub with water. Once it's full, it will drain half of the water and then fill the tub with water again.
Ito yung pwedeng mangyari pag hindi ka gumamit ng mesh bag. Mapapansin mo, nagre-rinse na yung tub pero parang hindi siya umiikot. May mga air pockets na kasi or hangin sa loob ng blanket kaya hindi na ito makaikot ng maayos, dahilan para hindi na siya mabanlawan mabuti ng machine. Another advantage ng paggamit ng mesh bag ang pag-contain sa blanket para makaikot siya ng maayos sa loob ng machine.
Once it's done rinsing, it will drain the water and then spin. The second rinse is when the fabric conditioner is used. It will follow the same routine. The last step is spin. And we're finally done.